Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get back your disabled Instagram account. So let's start. When your account has been disabled, for whatever the reason it is, you will not be able to log back in. So I'll leave a link in the description from where you can get back your account. So go to the description and open the link. Here you will see the page says my account has been deactivated and you will see a form. Now you have to fill up the form. First type in your full name. Then your username, all in small letters. Now enter your email address which is connected to your Instagram account. Now enter your mobile number. And lastly, the reason why you are appealing. And then tap send. When you tap send, Instagram will review your request and contact you within 48 hours and let you know about their decision. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.